Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Pepperstone to TradingView. The first thing I want you to do is log into both Pepperstone and TradingView and then come here and open up any chart. So I'll come here and open up any chart. Let's do NVIDIA for example. And once you have your chart open, I want you to just come down here, click on full chart, and then I want you to come here at the bottom panel and I want you to click on trading panel, and here you'll see Pepperstone. I want you to click on this and then click here on connect. It will open up a new tab, and if you're logged in, it should go ahead and ask you to authorize. Right, as you can see, connect Pepperstone to TradingView, and this is the account that I am going to be connecting. I'll approve the access, as you can see right here, and we're basically going to be connected to TradingView with Pepperstone. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.